Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Hot Pan. Here you can find tasty, healthy and easy recipes. Today we're gonna make hot egg puffs without microwave oven. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and don't forget to press the bell button and share if you like the video. Now let's get started. First boil few eggs. Then get ready with the maida flour and make it a dough. Then the next is the boiled eggs, then onion and ginger garlic paste, then chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala, salt and oil. Now pour some oil to the pan. Put some mustard and wait until it pops. After that, put onion. Wait until it turns to golden brown color. A small tip for the dish: add a pinch of salt so that the onion turns to golden brown color quickly. Then add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now it is in golden brown color. Now add all the three spices. Those are the chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. Mix it well. Add salt to taste according to your preferences. Mix it and add some water so it blends well. Now our masala is hot in the pan. Now it is ready. Cut our eggs into two halves. Make our dough into small balls. Now flatten them up. Cut all the four sides and make a perfect square. Now add a small quantity of our masala. And a piece of egg. Fold them from all the four sides like this. Now the final stage. Pour some oil to the cooker. Now place one by one of our puffs into the cooker. Now close the cooker's lid upside down and cook for 5 minutes. Now turn it over. Now close it and cook again for 5 minutes. And yes, now our tasty, healthy, easy homemade egg puffs are ready to be served. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it to your friends. Expecting your valuable suggestions and feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Bye. Take care.